On Hartley's machine, now these door catches are put on properly,
Yep.
and the cables are put on so that the door stays open.
Okay.
Just a minute.
Dad's just turning everything on here.
The power steering is working.
Yep.
I just gotta put
The cap back on. Yep.
cap back on. And the base is in there for the brake, bolted in.
Okay. Yeah. Right there.
And I'm going to mount the brake today.
Today.
Yeah.
Okay. Don't you need the rotor?
No, I mean just the cylinder. Eh?
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you need the rotor. Yeah.
So, Dad's got the last little bit of work here. So, what you saw on the blue Bombardier, this is what he's got to do.
This is what the cylinder looks like.
Okay.
And everything can be taken apart. It's bolted in. There's nothing welded in. This is a cylinder mount here. It sets in like this,
Yep.
and I got a little bit to do here yet, but the rod goes on here, and that's what works the brakes.
Okay. So, Dad builds these custom for every machine. They're all pretty much the same, but there's usually slight differences every single machine. And so, yeah, as if you can see, as part of last video, this Bombardier is in the second spot. This one's in the first spot again.
I'm going to take this one out tomorrow or the next day with no floor, do a test run.
Yeah.
And then we're going to park it out, bring it in, put the floor in if everything's good, park it outside, and we're going to plug it in overnight and see how it starts outside.
Okay, so Dad was just saying that we're going to take this out tomorrow for a test run without the floor in. And by it, what he means without the floor in is we're just taking out the floor that we installed on the back here with the D-rings. And we just want to see all the moving parts going, making sure nothing's loose or flying around. And then he just talked to the customer, and the customer is going to set up a schedule for picking it up. And we're going to get rid of this one.
This door didn't fit good.
Okay.
So I used the same setup again for bending it.
Yeah.
See how nice it fits now?
Okay, so where did you cut it?
I didn't cut it.
Oh, you just had to put
I used my bending setup.
Okay. Dad, last year we had to straighten out a bunch of doors, and Dad had actually, we used, these right here. And we straightened everything out with 2x4s and this, and then we actually had to cut the doors, but here he didn't have to cut the door. And so everything's straightened out. Did you do both sides or just the one?
No, the other side's good. I put the 4x4 in here,
Yeah.
on top of the latch,
Yeah.
and then pulled it around and just come
Straightened right out. Perfect. And Peter's joining us. Hi, Peter. How are you? Good. You excited about everything in the shop here?
Just excited, just
Yeah.
fantastic how we can get these old Pelicans back to life.
So,
Yeah, let him talk a little bit.
Yeah.
Get your wheel.
Peter just said he's excited to see all these pelicans being brought back to life here and whatnot. But what do you think of all the sales online? You notice there's probably about 5-10 Bombardiers in the last 3-4 days that have been listed. Have you taken a good look at some of those? What do you think?
Learn to be skeptical about things you buy online. All of them look like they need a lot of work, and
Yeah.
the amount of money and work you'd have to put in them,
Now, guys,
not much room.
how
in
many
there.
Bombardiers do you own or have you owned? Like 10, 12, 13, something like that?
Probably about 8 or 10 or something.
Okay, well, so enough.
Yeah, yeah.
But Peter looks at some of the photos and he can see the issues right away. Like some guys are selling you absolute pieces of garbage for 20 grand. and it might take another 20-30 grand just to get it up to par. So guys, buyer beware. We say that all the time. Make sure you know what you're buying. Peter's actually got machines that you can step into right now, turn the key and go, and they're reasonably priced. So if you guys are still looking for bombardiers that are really good shape that you can step in and go, by all means give me a call and I'll put you in touch with Peter. But you're not going to buy anything for 5 grand or 10 grand or 20 grand. Peters are reasonably priced, so you need to
But you know
do
what?
that.
Before they buy any machine, why don't they spend a couple days, come up here and look at the machines and talk to your dad?
Yeah,
It's all free,
yeah,
and it to show you the difference between a good machine and a worn out machine.
yeah. We
Before you put any money into it at all.
we say all the time, advice is free. You can come up here at any time. Dad'll tour you around, show you the shop. You guys can spend a day, enjoy yourself, and Dad doesn't mind doing this, but he's not going to travel down the highway to look at some piece of crap.
What do you call these guys when they just come in? What do you call those machines? Tubs. Tubs.
Tubs.
Basically, that's all you got is a tub.
Yeah.
Well, yesterday I had a visitor,
Okay.
and I got a new pointing stick.
Oh, look at
A
that.
friend of mine.
Wow.
And you know who owned this?
Who?
Tony Marcus Sr.
Okay.
I got a present from his son Tony Jr. yesterday. So when I'm pointing things out now,
It's highlighted.
it's highlighted.
Fluorescent. Does it glow in the dark? You don't
I
know.
don't know, but it's
Okay.
dandy.
Okay.
He got on the movie channel and he went from 10 o'clock at night till 1:30 in the morning. You know, and he decided to come out for a visit.
And brought you this.
Yeah.
That's great. That's fantastic.
I really like it.
Good.
And especially it was Tony.
Yeah, well, it's good to have friends. Okay, guys, so that's it for today, and we're going to start doing it. You're going to see this right away. We're going to start doing, we got enough of a backlog of videos that what you're seeing is,
We're gonna finish these off.
yeah,
and
but
you'll see the test run.
there's, we're going to do videos Tuesdays, Thursdays, Saturdays, and Sundays. So instead of every second day, you're getting 4 videos a week. Because right now, what's today's date?
Today is 10th, I think.
10th, yeah. 9th, I think. 9th or 10th. Anyways, it's Tuesday today. We got a new video about ice road safety coming up today. But you guys are 2 weeks behind on videos. And we're just kind of speed it up a little bit. And the next Bombardier, I think we're going to have enough content and how-to videos on how to assemble everything literally from scratch. So you guys are going to have some good how-to videos there. But these 2 machines, this one's almost done. Dad just talked to the customer on this one literally in the last half hour. This one here, maybe a week's worth. We know what has to be done. This customer's paid up to date right now, and this one just owes us the balance for the bill, and then we bring in that Minnesota narrow gauge. Okay guys, that's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, or come up for a visit.
At lunch yet.
Look at this, we got 3 dogs here. Hi Scoon. There's Daisy, there's Charlie.
And they're going to show you how well they're trained.
Okay. Hi Charlie.
Okay, guys. Out here where Ralph can see you. Sit. That's the boy. Shake. 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 Sit. Okay, there's one guy's ready. Are you going to sit? Shake. That's it. Come on, Charlie. Come on. Show him that you're no dummy. Come on, Charlie.
Come on Charles.
Come on.
Look at the cat's coming in.
Okay, shake. Shake, quick. That's it. He's a lefty. Lefty? Good. Now I got to try Charlie. Okay, Charlie, you sit. 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 Sit.
Too old to sit.
Ah, good boy. Shake. Give me 5 here. Shake. Come on. Come on. You know how to shake.
10 years old. Do I have to still do this?
There.